Well, good hello to you. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here not to stop, but I'm here to go. I'm going to this lodge right here, West Side Lodge number 409, right here in Palmetto, Florida. The only reason I know it's Palmetto is because the post office is across the street. On the side of the building it says Palmetto. We're going to go inside here, take a look around. We'll show you a little bit about the lodge itself, the facility that they have here. It's a fairly new looking facility, I would say. It's not two-story, so that tells me right away it's not all that old. But we're gonna go inside, take a look around. We'll show you some of the furniture and how they got this place set up. And maybe you'll see something in this lodge that you'll think, I wish our lodge would do that. Maybe it's something that we could implement, or get one of those, or buy that, or change our lodge to make our lodge better. Because that's kind of my goal in doing all these videos of our Masonic buildings, and to maybe kind of give you some insights. So if you've never been in a Masonic building, you'd be like, oh, I'm scared. You're not scared because you've just seen the inside of them. So anyway, come on with us, because you've just hit the Coolest Life Masonic edition. Good news, we are in, and as a matter of fact, I want to take you through this building a little bit and show you what they've done. This building's only 2 years old. They've done a really good job. I don't normally show a lot of restrooms in buildings, Masonic buildings, but this one's really nice. Well, it's only 2 years old. It was a church at one time, and they completely gutted it down to the walls and concrete floors, and so they put hardwood floor throughout, and you'll see in a little bit. You'll see as you go into the lodge room. They got their past masters here, or should I say the current officers here. Pictures, a nice door knocker. That's where their sign-in is, and their aprons that they give out. And this is a nice little setup here. This is basically their kitchen, because they decided not to have a kitchen. It wasn't wired for one, so they like, well, we'll just put some water and some drinks, and we don't want a big kitchen. So there's no Eastern Star here or anything like that. But they got seating and indirect lighting, or should I say recessed lighting. So yeah, they did a good job with it, but they got a little history corner. Some of their old books. That's all right. Guess I was zoomed in there a little bit too much. But I don't think I'm gonna wait till after the meeting before I go in there, because there's a lot of brothers in there, and it hurts for background noise and stuff, so I don't want to go in there while they're sitting in there. And just like that, the meeting is over, and we're now going to go through here, and most everyone's out of the room. Check out the door knockers, which is strange in Florida because they really don't use this door knockers. they're pretty though. I don't have them on this side because see, they don't knock, but they got a peephole there. Oh, I like the little. Nice. Awesome. I like that. But here's the lodge room. I like that. Good looking lodge room. There's one of the columns here. They each have names, and you don't have to join Masonry to figure out their names. That is about the size of a volleyball. So it's not quite a basketball. Nice setup here. I like the real nice sheen they've got on the woodwork here. Of course, I'm sure once they combined two of the lodges to build this lodge, and they didn't pick any one of their names or even their numbers. They got a brand new name and a brand new number. That's good size, 18 inches or so. That's like, I don't know what that is, Formica or something, I don't know. Good looking chair. I saw this on the ground, I was like, what is this? Then I realized it's the top of a chair. I thought maybe it was 4th degree or something I didn't know about, but it was not. Here's where their marshal would sit. They have a marshal. Another nice one there. The other terrestrial globe. They've got pictures of the past masters from those lodges. I don't know how they've decided they're going to put these up on the wall, either in this room or outside in the other room. Church pews, probably from the church that used to be here. They do have a York Rite presence in this building that meets here. Nice big TV. I think it's 85 inches. It's a big one. So a lot of times you do your degree work, you got a place to do some work. But these might actually be from the church that used to be here. wasn't a big church. Hopefully the church expanded, and I always like to hear about churches growing and expanding. And There's where their senior deacon would sit. They got a nice flag. They present the flag to open their meetings. Get your rough asher and your smooth asher. These are 1 foot square, like 6 inches deep. This looks like a your box. I like it. Open that up and see if there's a cushion in there. A little bit of one. I like it. Like that ballot box. I'm always a fan of ballot boxes because they're just so different. There's a lot of them are customarily. This one is what you're going to find in most lodges. This is actually 3 pieces. One of the shorter 3 pieces I've seen as far as seating goes. I'm going to see if I can find a Odd Fellows here. The Worshipful Master, I always scratch my head on this. His regalia is pointed upward, and so is his apron. And then this is pointed down. I don't know. It's just me. I should probably get off on that and quit talking about it. There's their G. And this is actually their charter. 2016 is when they got chartered. They've been in this building 2 years. Got some seat covers. They've actually got an extra room here that is, it goes up, it shows the front of their building. They've also got a refrigerator back here is where they keep that. But they've got a big window. Actually, let me just let you see it. Yeah, they got a big bay window that sets up here, and this is where their Masonic that is. Kind of cool, huh? It's a nice touch. It's a nice touch. I mean, if you got a window, why not use it? Why not use it? We're gonna go on down here, take a look at some of this. Here's where their senior warden would sit. Everything's in good condition. See a lot of these in other jurisdictions. Got a pounding block. I've not seen that before. This pounding block has got a rock inside, like a marble piece, and then it's got wood around it. And it's about 1 inch high, but it's only about, 6 inches wide, maybe 4 inches here. Huh. I haven't seen them quite that size. Normally they're a little thinner, and he's got a U shape here. This is an old pad here. I bet you this pad has got to be 60 or 80 years old. This is their donation box, which is kind of a cool donation box. Someone's done a really nice job on that. And check out these lights. They look like lanterns of sort. They've got the Masonic logo in the bulb. Those are definitely unusual. I haven't asked them if this is customary for the lesser lights to be shaped like this in this depiction. This looks like Formica here. Not a really nice piece, but those are, I love that old style. Well, that's got some history to it. No telling how many brothers have, done degree work here on that particular mat. I love that. Looks really cool. And check out this light from above. That's unusual. They do have some indirect lighting right here. They can put up, I saw blue earlier today. So I thought that was pretty cool. Really nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this visit to West Coast Lodge number 409 here in Bradenton, Florida. You wouldn't think a lodge called West Coast would be in Florida, but it's actually the West Coast of Florida. Because Florida is one of those few states that has a West Coast and an East Coast. Not many of those, I'm just saying. But it's really great. We had a small dinner that they brought in today, and had a few brothers here. I think we had 10 or 12, something like that. Anyway, doesn't matter. You come here for the fellowship of the brothers that show up and to watch some degree work and take advantage of this nice, beautiful building that they have here. We're going to talk about doing some fundraisers and some other things. But I want to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. And because I want to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.